Good morning to all. In today's class, we are going to learn about simple past tense. The simple past tense is used to talk about actions that happen at a certain time in the past. We use the simple past when something happened with certain past time expressions. For example, we saw a good film last week. Yesterday, we went to a birthday party. It rained heavily last night. She played the piano when she was a child. Then, how to form simple past tense? Most verbs form their past by adding d or ed. The verbs in the simple past tense don't need to agree in number with their subjects. That means they are same for the singular and plural forms. Look at these examples. We played football. I finished my homework. She sang a song. A verb can be regular or irregular. Regular verbs form their past and past participle form by adding ed. To make the past tense with most regular verbs, add ed. For example, work, worked, help, helped, laugh, laughed. If a verb ends in e, you just add d. For example, like, liked, bake, baked, smile, smiled, escape, escaped. If a verb ends in a consonant and y, take off the y and add ied. For example, carry, carried, try, tried, cry, cried, study, studied. Some verbs double their last consonant in the simple past tense. For example, drop, dropped, stop, stopped, clap, clapped, hope, hoped. Irregular verbs form their past and past participle forms in different ways. They are not formed by adding ed or d. Irregular verbs have different past forms. For example, eat, ate, think, thought, give, gave, come, came. There are some irregular verbs in which all the three forms are same. For example, put, put, cut, cut, let. Remember, the being verbs was and were are the forms of the verb be in the past tense. Now let's learn about the negative form and the interrogative form of simple past tense. Negative form of past tense is formed by adding did not between the subject and the verb. We use the first form of the verb with did. For example, I did not sing well. She did not sing well. They did not sing well. Then the interrogative form of simple past tense is formed by using did in the beginning of the sentence and changing the verb to the first form. For example, did I sing well? Did you sing well? Did she sing well? So, children, to understand more about these forms, let's discuss the exercise which is given in your textbook. Rewrite the sentence in an interrogative sentence and negative sentence. Ria wore a pretty pink dress. So the negative form is Ria did not wear a pretty pink dress. The first form of wore is wear. And the interrogative form is did Ria wear a pretty pink dress? Next is she arrived in London. Negative form is she did not arrive in London. And the interrogative form did she arrive in London? Next, we are going to see the uses of simple past tense. We use the simple past tense to express that an action started and finished at a specific time in the past. For example, yesterday the teacher sent a note to Ragesh's parents. We went for a picnic last week. Simple past tense is used to express a duration in the past. For example, he lived in America for 8 years. She studied French for 3 years. Simple past tense is used to talk about a series of actions in the past. For example, I got up at 6 a.m., brushed my teeth, and prepared breakfast. We packed and went for a picnic. Let's check the past form of these verbs ring, rang, drink, drank, fall, fell, plan, plant, fly, flew, watch, watched, see, saw, tell, told, climb, climbed, run, ran, beat, shoot, shot. Hope you have understood today's class. The simple past tense is used to talk about actions that happened at a certain time in the past. We also learn how to use did in the negative and interrogative sentence. And remember, we use first form of the verb with did. So remember these points and do your exercises carefully. That's all for today. Thank you. Take care.